we want you to start considering pasta and sauce like a couple, right? Every sauce has a perfect match. Really, there's a moment when you finish making your pasta and you finish preparing the sauce, they get married. They become one thing. Don't divorce them. They love each other, right? You place your hand and you roll it away. Turn. Full press and roll. Turn. Full press and roll. No. I'm not a
Why the name of the sauce is puttanesca? Because this sauce has been invented by the prostitutes working in the area of Naples, more or less during the 19th century, since they had late night shifts and
fresh ricotta and spinach.
Oh.
So 3 fingers from the edge and you squeeze your piping bag. 3 fingers in between, always space from the edge and in between, right? Then in all the cooking shows, they tell you, and then you need to add salt. And the amount of salt is this. Wrong.
No.
So wrong. The environment where the pasta is to cook has to be salty like the ocean. The pasta is releasing starch and it's absorbing the sauce, so they're literally becoming one single thing. Now there's no separation. This is pasta. When you say pasta, it's sauce and pasta. Italy is certificating that you're pasta maker.
I passed.
Yes,
Even though I had some special tutoring.
Every time you open a can of chef boyardee, can ravioli, and Italian is dying.
And what about my pasta?
Every time you break the spaghetti, you're breaking lives, Italian lives.